topic is conservation of linear momentum. Conservation means no change. No change. What is no change of linear momentum? Linear momentum is what? P. That is equal to product of mass and velocity. Linear momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Now, no change. When this no change take place? When the system is isolated. So, no change is applicable only on isolated system. So, what is this isolated? Isolated means no external force act on system. That means other from outside no force will act on the system, from inside no force will act on other side, opposite side. So in such a condition the linear momentum is constant. Okay. Now here you see one body A of mass m is moving this side, another body B of mass m moving this side. Okay. And both are collide. And after collision, this will move this side, this will move this side. Okay. So this is the before collision, this is the after collision. Now we have to show that before collision what is the momentum is there, same will be there after the collision also. Then our law is conservation of linear momentum is satisfied. Now momentum before collision of MA is equal to MA UA, and momentum after collision of MA is equal to MA VA. Change in momentum is equal to MA VA minus MA UA, and that is equal to MA take common VA minus UA. Now rate of change of momentum is equal to Fa. Rate of change of momentum is Fa, we all know, according to Newton's second law. Therefore, MA VA minus UA by T. Now, momentum of MB before collision is equal to MB UB, and momentum of mb after collision is equal to mb vb. So change in momentum is equal to mb vb minus mb ub. Now rate of change of momentum is equal to mb vb minus ub by t. So this is equal to fb. Now according to Newton's third law, Fa is a force acting by A on B, that is action, and Fb is force acting of B on A is a reaction. Therefore, Fa is equal to minus Fb. Therefore, Ma Va minus Ua by T is equal to Mb Vb minus Ub by T. T will cancel. Ma Va minus Ma Ua is equal to Mb Vb minus Mb ub. Now Ma Va minus Ma Ua is equal to minus Mb Vb plus Mb ub. You bring this side, you bring this side. Ma Va plus Mb Vb, Ma Ua plus Mb ub. So what is this? Total momentum after collision is equal to, this is total momentum before collision. So, total momentum after collision is equal to total momentum before the collision. So, thus law is verified. So, law of conservation of momentum is okay. It is correct. Okay.